Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the fan fiction app. In order to do so, here we are at the App Store for iOS, and we can also find the fan fiction app on Google Play as well. What's fan fiction all about? Well, just like it sounds, you can upload your own fan fiction. You can read other people's fan fiction, and it's all at your fingertips with this easy to use app. Now, taking a look at the ratings on both the iOS store and on the Google Play store, they are less than positive, but it's very possible that this is more indicative of the content itself, which is subjective. If you want to look at other people's fan fiction, you're going to find a range of content that may or may not be great, but if you want to have some fun looking at some other people's fan fiction, then head over to the iOS store or the Google Play store and search for fan fiction, and you can get started yourself. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business and offers tailored insights that help you succeed. You can check out our YouTube playlist for all the information you'll need to get started with Cintra. And if you click on the link in the link tree, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Also, take a look at Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, you can get $50 to open an account when you click on the referral link. And then you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.